Win some Proline Tyres, win some Proline Tyres, or you can win, get this puppy out of here, a winch. And it even comes with its little worn sticker. How cool is that, eh? So guys, that's going to be this year's competition. Some guys need tyres, some guys need a winch. Write me in the comment which of the two you need, and I shall put you in the draw. Now let's get back into today's video. This. Time to get some sound out of this V8. Let's see if this is going to be too loud. Let's start her up. Okay, close your ears. Exhaust without any mufflers, just the headers. So I'll literally taking the exhaust pipe off exactly by the headers. Here we go. That's a bit too loud. Okay, so I have an idea. This is going to be a budget build. What I'm going to do is I'm going to cut the muffler open and take everything that's inside it out so that it's just a hollow a hollow thing without any pockets or chambers in it, and the airflow can literally go directly through it. I just hope I can do it in that way. So I was kind of thinking to turn it around, cut it off over here and over here, or just cut it off all the way around the one side. Let's see if I can take this out and let's see how far I get with this. Okay, next step, start grinding. Okay, cutting is done. Big screwdriver, middle hammer. Let's knock this thing open, see what's inside. Oh yes. That was kind of easier than I thought. Oh boy. What is all this? Chambers. They're all burnt. Let's get some big pliers in here. Ew. I think I need a dustbin. Okay, putting some gloves on, because these edges that I just cut with the with the with the grinder are super bad. They can cut me so badly. So let's take all this weird stuff out and throw it away. I don't know why there's two skins on this, but anyway. It's getting kind of late now, so I'm probably going to run out of daylight. So it's dark now, and I've parked the Discovery in the back here. And every time the car gets the slightest movement, once the ignition is off, the alarm system goes on again. But seeing that I've taken the siren off, lights just flicker. So I kind of just have to open the doors and watch what happens. There it goes. Weird. How does it know that I opened the doors, although I've cut all the wiring? There's no more connection to the doors. I can't use the electric windows. How does the car know that I opened the door? That is weird. And also, I mean, I don't have a back door, so it's not like there's a pressure loss in the cabin. It's the weirdest thing. But after a while, the alarm system gives up and it stops flickering. So as soon as I switch the ignition off, this is kind of what happens to me. But you see the worry in my eye? No. Well, I guess it's tomorrow. Poof! And it's the next day. So I did a little bit more work on the exhaust pipe, grinding as much down as I could and chiseling my way through the metal. So let's see what it looks like. So I cut as deep as I could in here, cut these sections away, hit them down. This was already all rusted, so I just had to cut a little bit and it came off by itself. Now I just need to chisel my way through to the bottom here, and once I'm through that, then I think this thing is actually able to come out. So let's check. Oh, very nice. There we go. Okay, so once all of this is gone, the wool is gone, and those catalytic converter lookalikes are gone in the silencer, I think just this is going to be a lot better from a sound point of view. And I'm hoping to get a very nice V8 note out of this, although a straight pipe would probably be better. But seeing that this is a budget build, like everything I do, what I'm going to do now, weld it closed, and let's see what it sounds like. Okay, I got my welding set up using quite a thin rod. So this is a 1.6 millimeter rod, quite a thin rod comparing to the others. I think it lights up better and it doesn't get stuck as much. So let's see how I do. I haven't welded in 7 years or something. So these are my famous booger welds. I'm sure there are holes in this and I'm sure it's going to blow off. Let's put it back on the truck and let's see what it's going to sound like. Let's bolt that thing back on. It's actually quite a simple job. 2 bolts, a 15 and a 13 spanner, and the job's done. I'm going to be using a little bit of WD-40 just to get the rubbers a little bit smoother. Finally, the exhaust is back on. I am filthy. Let's start her up and let's hope she's not too quiet. Not impressive, that's for sure.
what's happening, if I'm actually touching the boulder on this side or not, on the other side. I kind of feel it's starting to pull, and I'm thinking I'm grinding the actual tire and the rim. I can actually feel the grinding in the chassis of the rim actually scraping on that back rock. There we go. Stalled out. Ah, come on. get a bit used to that. So although I am enjoying this exhaust note at the moment, and yeah, I am comparing it to when just the headers were on. The headers, it was great, but it was just too loud, and it started to get stressful while you're out on the trail because it's just so much noise. It was just deafening. So I am enjoying this exhaust note at the moment, but to get it just a little bit better, I think the best thing to do is put a straight pipe in. So delete the gutted silencer and put a straight pipe through, and I think that'll just, you know, put the cherry on the cake. You know what I mean? It won't be terribly loud, but it'll just make the sound just that bit more enjoyable, and I think the straight pipe will give it a little bit more of a better exhaust note. Anyway guys, that's it for me for this week from Turtle Worx. See you next time. Bye.